Okay, we've talked quite a bit about different summary measures, descriptive statistics measures that we can generate. Let's see how we can generate those in Excel. And I've pulled up this data set called rest cost, with restaurant cost, again in a city as well as in a suburban area. And for each of these variables, we simply want to use the data analysis tool pack to generate a number of descriptive statistics, those we've spoken about so far, as well as some additional ones, as we'll see. So we'll go under the data ribbon, go over to the right to data analysis, and as we see, there's an item called descriptive statistics. We click OK. And it asks us for the input range where our variables are. And this can be one or more variables. This range can be one or more columns. It could also be in rows, as we see, but with columns selected, I will select both columns A and B. And after partially doing that, I'll do Shift-Control down arrow. That'll select my entire 2 columns of data. I do have labels in my first row, so I'll make sure that box is checked. And then I want to indicate what information I want. I can get summary statistics as well as a few other things. I can generate a type of confidence level. As this says, confidence level for the means. But further down in our course, we'll talk more about confidence levels and generate confidence intervals. As well as we can identify here the a particular item, the kth largest or kth smallest item in each variable by presumably checking the box and putting in whether we want the first, second, third largest, etc. But I'm just for now going to do summary statistics on my data. I'll put the output into a new worksheet. And having done all that, I'll just click OK. And let me spread out these columns just a bit so I can see things a bit more clearly. All right, so now for each of these variables, I have the mean, standard, something called the standard error, which again, we will talk more about. The mean, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, 2 things called kurtosis and skewness. Skewness we are familiar with from the shape of a histogram, but here's a numerical measure that captures it. And the fact that these numbers are both positive would imply that both distributions would be positively skewed, although the numbers are small. The range, the minimum, the maximum, the sum of the numeric values in each variable, and then the count. So there are 50 items in each column. So here we can quickly generate some of these important summary measures, these descriptive statistics, using the data analysis tool pack. So this would be a slightly faster way than having to type in all of the individual Excel formulae that I showed you. Okay, well that's a quick summary of generating these descriptive statistics using the data analysis tool pack.